what will be the output of the following code snippet? Is it option A, prints hello once, or is it option B, print hello indefinitely, or is it option C, compilation error, or is it option D, none of this? Now if you see in this for loop, in the condition part, there is an integer 1. Unlike C++, an integer value expression cannot be placed where a boolean is expected in Java. So in Java, true or false in the boolean format, it is expected. So let's run this code in the IDE. So we are compiling the program and we get a compilation error. Int cannot be converted to boolean. So it is incompatible types, and hence our option C, that is compilation error, is the correct answer.